You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. It's more commonly pronounced as chelate. Alright, that's the more common pronunciation in English. However, the pronunciation as chelate is also correct. By the way, if you want to learn more pronunciation, stay tuned. So, two correct pronunciations in English: the verb to chelate or chelate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.